Okay, so here we have your leg press slash hack squat. This machine is very simple. It is manually loaded. You load your weights on here. There's one area of adjustment, which is the lever that will release the back pad, which you'll be sitting on so that you can move up and down. So you as the individual are the one moving, not the machine. I'll demonstrate really quickly. You're gonna get out into the machine, grab your proper stance, hip width apart, feet hip width apart. You're going to push up, which at this point will release the lever, okay? You're going to perform your repetitions, nice and slow and controlled, breathing in on the way down, exhaling on the way up. You have handles to the side, which can help as well. Once you complete your set, 10, 12 reps, whatever that number is, you pull the lever, you come down slow, and you'll feel the machine grab. At that point, it is safe for you to step back out of.